Okay, straight leg deadlifts. Similar coaching points to what you've already seen from your RDL and your other deadlift variations. Now before we get started, you can see here that we've actually put some plates underneath this bar, and that just effectively is going to bring the floor up closer to Ali and suit his positioning. So he's going to drop down, grab the bar. Bar position itself, if I was to look at the bar, it's going to intersect really almost the middle of Ali's foot. Bar's quite close to the shins. Now, a couple of coaching cues before you go. As much tension as he can create across the upper back as possible, as well as in those glutes and those hamstrings. Do you right for me, Ali? So as you can see throughout, his back is nice and solid and completely flat. Comes all the way down, slight pause at the bottom. Now in this position here, we're trying to think that those hamstrings, so if someone's trying to stick a dagger in there, as you can see, Ali's making them like a brick wall. At the same time, he's clamping those glutes together, initiating them, and as he comes up, trying to squeeze a walnut between those cheeks. Abs are nice and tight throughout, nice and controlled. One more, driving through the floor from the heels, abs tight, back nice and straight. And there you have straight leg deadlifts.